Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Exness and HFM, two heavyweights in the Forex and CFD space. If you're a trader or you're just getting started in the world of online trading, today's video is for you. We'll dive into their backstories, the key features, the account types, the pricing, the pros and cons, and by the end you can make a better choice as to which is the best broker in 2025. We start with Exness. Exness was founded in 2008 and is headquartered in Cyprus. Over the years, it has grown into a global trading powerhouse, serving over 1 million active traders across more than 190 countries. It's known for being tech-driven, offering smart trading tools, ultra-fast withdrawal processing, and strong client protection features like negative balance protection. Exness operates under several global licenses, making it accessible across multiple regions. The broker has also built a reputation for its reliability, transparency, and support for both beginner and advanced traders. How about HFM? HF Markets, formerly known as Hot Forex, was established in 2010 and has become a globally recognized name in the industry. With millions of clients worldwide, HFM is respected for its broad asset selection, consistent pricing, and educational content. It also holds multiple regulatory licenses and serves a wide international audience. The platform has built trust over time, offering reliable execution, competitive conditions, and a well-rounded trading ecosystem for traders of all levels. Now let us talk about the main features of Exness and HFM. First, the platforms and tools. Exness supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, a custom-built web trader, and its mobile trading app called Exness Trade, also a browser-based Exness terminal. It also offers handy tools like trading calculators, currency converters, news updates, VPS hosting, and tick history for deeper analysis. HFM also supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and provides its proprietary My HF app for account management and mobile trading. One standout feature is HF Copy, a social trading platform that allows users to copy top-performing traders. It also offers VPS services, trading webinars, and market research tools. How about trading instruments? Exness offers around 200 instruments, including over 100 Forex pairs, CFDs on stocks, indices, metals, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. It's a focused selection, more geared toward liquid and popular markets. HFM, on the other hand, provides access to over 1,000 tradable instruments covering Forex, metals, energies, ETFs, indices, stocks, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. It's better suited for traders looking to diversify into a wide range of markets. How about leverage and minimum deposit? Exness has a low entry barrier with a minimum deposit starting from just $10 on a standard account. It offers flexible leverage even up to unlimited certain conditions, though this is regionally capped for regulatory reasons. HFM also makes it easy to start trading with minimum deposit requirements ranging from $0 to $5 depending on the account type and region. The maximum leverage offered is up to 1:2,000. And it's also subject to local regulations. How about deposits and withdrawals? Exness shines when it comes to withdrawals. Over 98% of withdrawals are processed instantly. It supports a wide range of payment methods including bank cards, e-wallets, crypto, and local payment systems. Most methods are fee-free. HFM also supports a solid range of deposit and withdrawal methods including cards, bank transfers, e-wallets, and crypto. Withdrawals are typically fast and free above certain thresholds, although not quite as instant as Exness in most cases. Demo and education. Exness offers unlimited demo account creation. You can trade with virtual funds and test strategies as much as you want. Its educational content is decent but more practical than structured. HFM, on the other hand, has a well-developed educational suite. You get access to webinars, recorded lessons, trading tutorials, market outlooks, and a trading academy, all aimed at helping beginners and intermediate traders improve their skills. Now let us talk about the pricing. Exness offers commission-free trading on its standard accounts with spreads starting from around 0.2 pips. For more advanced accounts like raw spread or zero, spreads can go as low as 0.0 pips with commissions starting around $7 per round trip. HFM standard account starts with spreads from about 1 pipe, while its Zero and Pro accounts offer tighter speeds, some as low as 0.1 pipes, with commissions around $6 per round trip. But in general, Exness offers lower trading costs specifically for higher frequency traders. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Exness and HFM. First, the pros. For Exness, extremely low minimum deposit, super fast and often instant withdrawals, tight spreads with commission accounts, reliable platforms and trading tools, and free funding and negative balance protection. How about the pros of using HFM? Wide selection of instruments, over 1,000, rich and structured educational content, offers social trading via HF copy, VPS available for high volume traders. How about the cons? For Exness, smaller number of tradable instruments compared to HFM, educational resources are basic, and some regional restrictions are applicable. How about for HFM? Standard spreads are slightly wider, swap rates can be higher than average, and demo accounts may be limited by time depending on the platform. So having considered all this, which one is the winner? Both Exness and HFM are solid brokers, and the better choice really depends on your trading style. So if you're a trader who values fast execution, low trading costs, and instant withdrawals, then Exness is likely the better fit for you. It's designed for efficiency and performance, especially if you're actively trading and scaling positions frequently. However, if you're looking for a broker that offers extensive learning resources, more asset diversity and copy trading, then HFM is a fantastic choice. It is ideal for beginners or for those who want a more social educational experience. Overall, though, in 2025, Exness takes the lead for advanced or cost-sensitive traders, while HFM wins for traders that are looking for a more complete supportive ecosystem. And that's it on the review between Exness and HFM. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore IG Group, IC Markets, and Owander. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.